Today, I'm going to show you how to load film into a Canon A-1. Pick up the camera. On the left side, we have a film rewind knob right there. If we pull that up, the back will release, and we can open it up. Let's grab your film. We're going to put it knob side down. And close the knob. And on the right side we have a take-up spool. We're going to slide our film across the back, put it into one of those notches, and hold the film tight. And we're going to wind it, and we want to make sure that our film sprocket holes are lined up. As we can see here. And then we can close the back. Next, we'll adjust our film speed. There's a silver button up top here. If we push that in, we can rotate the dial. In this case, we'll select 200. We'll wind and release our shutter until our exposure counter reaches 1. Enjoy.